December 1st, World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day is observed every year on December 1 to educate people and honor those who have lost their lives due to this deadly disease. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is a life-threatening disease in which a person's immune system becomes weak and redundant, thereby causing it to easily get affected by various common infections, which in most cases lead to death. Also termed as HIV or human immunodeficiency virus, is the main cause for this disease. In 1986, India detected its first case of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that is AIDS, which is caused by human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV. It was first observed by James Byrne and Thomas Netter, who tried to get some likeness of control over the pandemic and spread awareness about the same. Many don't know that both James Byrne and Thomas Netter were public information officers for the AIDS Global Program of the World Health Organization. They convened the director of AIDS Global Program, Dr. Jonathan Mann, to observe a day that will educate the masses about the deadly disease. Since then, every year, December 1 has been observed as World AIDS Day across the globe to spread awareness among the masses regarding the spread of this disease, removing stigmas attached with this conversation and empowering those suffering from this life-threatening condition to fight back with proper health care facilities.